Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about Lyft stocks. So before we get into the video, if you happen to have gotten deactivated from any of your gig app accounts, whether it's like Lyft, Uber Eats, Amazon Flex, DoorDash, really any of those things, there's this awesome website for you. It's called the Reactivation Center. We have a link in the description if you want to check it out. They actually do all the work for you and handle all the frustrations when you're trying to get your account reactivated. This is really great if you might be really busy and you have a lot going on. Maybe you're doing multiple gig apps at the same time and you really just don't have time to deal with the headache of trying to contact all of these companies and, you know, like calling their phone numbers, trying to get their emails and getting no response. So they do all that work for you and will actually get your account reactivated. So yeah, you should definitely check that out. It's really just an awesome service that is here to help gig workers. Alright, so let's get into the video. So as you know, Lyft is a NASDAQ stock. Lyft shares have actually been plummeting recently, and I'm sure you know why. You know, the gig economy is going pretty downhill right now, but a lot of investors are suspecting that they are going to go up really soon and they're going to have an awesome comeback. So they've actually gone down more than 70% over the last year. This is mainly just because of the recession and all the oil and gas prices like really skyrocketing recently, especially since Lyft drivers, as you know, have to pay for their own gas. So a lot of people are complaining that most of their income is actually going towards gas, which is really annoying because you literally need gas to do your job. If most of your income that you're receiving goes towards the work you need to do, then there's a huge problem. I know that Lyft and Uber and all of these companies, they're trying hard to accommodate towards their drivers, like adding a surcharge for the gas fees, but you know, they're not really helping that much because a lot of these companies will do like maybe 40 or 50 cents extra per ride, which really doesn't help that much if you add it up. So hopefully they're going to start doing more to try to fix this, and maybe Lyft can actually have their stocks start to go up rather than falling in this decline that they've been having over the past year. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. If you're into stocks, we'd love to read what you have to say in the comments down below. And you know, if there's anything that you think Lyft and Uber can do to really help their drivers more, they have said that they do want to listen to their drivers and hopefully make these changes to really just help everyone out. You know, I'd really just love to hear your opinions in the comments down below. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video and I hope it was informative to you. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.